Hey, welcome to my channel. This isn't going to be your normal DIY build video. What I'm going to show you, and there's a lot of those videos out there on these. The beer caddies are pretty simple. I've got three different versions. You're seeing two right here. The one on the left I made with copper. I think it turned out really nice. It's got the insert in it, so you can use it for beer, margaritas, wine, anything you want. The one on the right has a little bit higher build on top. It's 3 inches across instead of two, on like the one on the left. So you got a little bit more of a slope. Also, the solid side on the left compared to the slot side on the right. Which one do you guys like better? Let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure you go to the end and see the other video or the other build. So what do you think? The blue one, the brown one? What's your preference? Any updates you'd like to see? Anything you'd like to see me try? Put them in the comments down below. But like I said, I'm an amateur. This is my first build, so I've learned a lot and I'm gonna keep going. But thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I'm new. Likes help, subscriptions help, but I'm just having fun and just trying to get ready for the summer, trying to get through all this COVID stuff like all of you. All right, here we are. We're almost done. See? Now it's time to add a little hardware. So first of all, I'm gonna put these end caps on. And we'll permanently seal them later. We'll just put them on right now so you can get an idea. So that adds a little bit more to it. And then, got the copper ends. And I still need to find copper screws, because why they sent this without copper is beyond me. You order a copper bottle opener and my fingers don't work. Then they send you silver screws. Also, if you take a look at the copper here, you can notice that it looks nice all the way across. Copper typically isn't always like that. And all I did was took real light sandpaper and lightly sanded all the brass, all the end piece, the handle, everything to kind of get the rough exterior off and to make the coat look nice all the way through. And everyone that I showed this to in person, the video doesn't really show it much, but you can see how it looks great all the way across, and it really pops in person. So these can be made for a number of different things. They can be made for gifts. They can be made for people turning 21. They can be made for Valentine's Day, birthdays, what have you. Neat little project, real simple to do, and you can have it done in about an hour. But have fun and try different things. I keep experimenting and I keep coming up with all these different ideas, and some are unique. I search on YouTube and I find out some of them that are nothing like some of the things I'm coming up with. So let me know what kind of what. Now these next set of photos, I think there's gonna be more of my style going forward. Wooden burn turned out really good. 2 slots with the rounded edges. I just like the way it looks, turned out. I just need to come up with a better handle. Maybe try the copper on it, see what it looks like. Any ideas? Leave them below. Thanks.